Hello everyone, this is Chaya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to make a beautiful and stunning mermaid cake in delicious mango flavor. For this mermaid cake, I have prepared a soft vanilla sponge. For the filling and layering, I have made a fresh mango compote along with silky white chocolate ganache. To keep the sponge moist and flavorful, I am using homemade mango syrup for soaking. Watch till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's start creating this magical mermaid cake. Finally, our beautiful mango mermaid cake is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more amazing cake designs and baking recipes. Also press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.